Hi everyone. Welcome to Volare Finance. The following will briefly introduce you to Volare Battle Game. First, let's click on the official website volare.finance. Click Start Trading, then click Games Battles, and click Connect Wallet to connect the wallet address. Battle Game is currently built on Bitlayer mainnet and may require switch network. Now we enter the product page. Volare Battle Game is an option product based on the prediction of BTC price changes, with a round every 10 minutes. Bullish is long, bearish is short. Compare the strike price with the target price, and the rise is long wins, and the fall is short wins. The currently supported game tokens are BTC and WBTC on Bitlayer. You can bridge BTC assets to Bitlayer through Bitlayer official bridge to join in the game. Please note that if you use BTC to participate in the game, there is no WBTC in the wallet. BTC will be automatically swapped to WBTC, and a gas fee will be incurred. Here we can see several sections. The left side is the purchase comparison of long and short in each round. The transaction below shows every transaction, which is completed on the chain. On the right side, the blue box shows the information of the current game round. The current round is 114. Including the strike price determined of the round, the real-time BTC price fluctuating, the winning chance of long or short based on the real-time price, the total transaction volume of the round, and the deadline for settlement of the round. The part below is the purchase area of the next round. The round is 115. You can choose to buy long or short options and enter the corresponding purchase amount. Whether it is call or short, a 3% handling fee will be charged. But in the New Year campaign, jointly launched by Volare and Bitlayer, the first 10,000 users will be exempted from this fee. It should be noted that the strike price of the round 115 you participated in is not the price when you bought long or short, but the price after the end of the round 114. The final underlying price of this round will be 10 minutes later. In the end, whether long or short wins depends on the comparison between strike price and underlying price. The current price is provided by Oracle Service. In this chart, we can see the trend chart of BTC USD in different periods of time. Okay, now we enter the quantity here. The minimum limit is 0.00001 BTC. Select short, click Approve BTC to authorize BTC assets. And after confirmation through the wallet, click New Position to complete the option purchase. Okay, from here we can see that position has been purchased. The transaction information is also seen in the transaction column on the left. In the analytics column, we can see the transaction volume information of the game in recent days. And below this, we can see the current round information, total claim information, total treasure, and win rate, and other information. Next, let's go back to the game page. When a round is finally over, the underlying price and strike price are compared to determine whether the round is a long win or a short win, and then we can settle it. If you lose, it will no longer be displayed. If you win, your profit will be displayed here. We can settle multiple rounds together, and your principal and rewards will be transferred to your wallet. This message shows that the bonus has been received. Regarding the calculation method of the bonus, if you lose all your principal. If you win, Payout equals total bet amount slash total bet amount of the winning side asterisk users bet amount asterisk 1 to 3%. Thanks for watching.